Understanding Modem Replacement, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but important phrase, modem replacement. This phrase might seem technical, but it's quite common in conversations about internet and technology. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Modem replacement is a compound noun consisting of two parts, modem and replacement. First, let's understand what each part means. Modem. A modem is a device that connects your home or office to the internet. It's an essential part of any broadband internet setup. Replacement. This refers to the act of taking something out and putting something else in its place. When combined, modem replacement refers to the process of removing an old modem and installing a new one. Modem replacement is typically needed in the following scenarios. 1. Upgrading to a faster internet service. When you upgrade your internet plan, sometimes your old modem might not be capable of supporting the new speeds. 2. Modem malfunction. If your modem is not working properly, you might need to replace it. 3. Technological advancements. As technology advances, newer modems with better features and stronger signals become available. Understanding these contexts will help you grasp why and when the phrase is used. Let's look at how to use this phrase in real-life sentences. 1. I'm calling my internet provider for a modem replacement because my current one is outdated. 2. Our internet speed improved significantly after the modem replacement. 3. Do you know how to perform a modem replacement? Or should we call a technician? These examples show how modem replacement can fit naturally into everyday English. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, modem replacement. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in expanding your English vocabulary, especially in the context of technology. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.